Opinion: Best Conference Room AV Solutions. Choosing the best conference room AV solutions depends on the specific needs and size of your conference room, as well as the features you require. Here's a list of some of the best conference room AV solutions available, known for their quality, reliability, and integration capabilities. 1. Poly, formerly Polycom, Solutions Poly Studio X Series, features *, all-in-one video bar with 4K video quality. Built-in microphone array and speaker system. Native support for Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Wireless content sharing. Noise block AI and acoustic fence technologies to eliminate unwanted noise. 2. Cisco Webex Room Series * Cisco Webex Room Kit and Room Kit Mini. Features * high-quality 4K video and audio. Integrated camera with intelligent framing and speaker tracking. AI-powered features for face recognition and noise suppression. Compatible with Webex meetings and other video conferencing platforms. 3. Zoom Rooms. Zoom Room Appliances, features * dedicated hardware designed to run Zoom Room software. High-definition video and audio. Touchscreen control for easy management. Wireless screen sharing and whiteboarding capabilities. Compatible with various third-party hardware, example Logitech, Poly, Need. 4. Logitech Solutions Logitech Rally Bar and Rally Bar Mini. Features * all-in-one video bar with high-definition video and audio. RightSense technologies for auto framing, light, and color optimization. Expandable with additional microphones and speakers for larger rooms. Certified for Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and other major platforms. 5. Crestron Flex Series Crestron Flex for Microsoft Teams rooms and Zoom rooms. Features * integrated touchscreen control system. High-quality video and audio with easy setup and management. Flexible configurations for small to large rooms. Advanced room scheduling and management features. 6. Microsoft Teams Rooms * Microsoft Teams Rooms devices. Features * certified devices from partners like Logitech, HP, Lenovo, and Poly. Touchscreen control and integration with Microsoft Teams. High-definition video and audio with intelligent speaker tracking. Seamless integration with Microsoft 365 and other collaboration tools. 7. Neat Devices Neat Bar and Neat Board. Features * simple, elegant design with high-quality video and audio. All-in-one collaboration device with touchscreen, Neat Board. Native integration with Zoom Rooms. AI-powered capabilities for noise suppression and auto framing. 8. LiveSize Icon Series LiveSize Icon 700. Features * 4K video and full motion content sharing. High-fidelity audio with integrated speaker system. Simple user interface with touchscreen control. Cloud-based management and integration with LiveSize video conferencing service. 9. Aver Information Solutions Aver VB342 Plus and Cam 540. Features * high-quality video with PTZ, pan-tilt zoom, capabilities. Advanced AI features for auto framing and speaker tracking. Certified for Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and other platforms. USB plug-and-play connectivity. 10. Yealink Meeting Bar Series Yealink Meeting Bar A20 and A30, features * all-in-one video bar with integrated camera, microphone, and speaker. Native integration with Microsoft Teams and Zoom. AI-powered features for face recognition and noise reduction. Wireless content sharing and easy setup. Considerations for choosing a solution. 1. Room size and layout *, match the equipment to the size and configuration of your room to ensure adequate coverage and quality. 2. Compatibility *, ensure the solution is compatible with your preferred video conferencing platform, example Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Webex. 3. Ease of use *, look for intuitive interfaces and controls to minimize the learning curve for users. 4. Audio and video quality *, high-definition video and clear, echo-free audio are crucial for effective communication. 5. Scalability *, choose solutions that can be expanded or upgraded as your conferencing needs grow. 6. Support and maintenance *, consider the availability of technical support and regular updates for the system. By selecting the right AV conference solution tailored to your needs, you can enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of your meetings, improving communication and collaboration across your organization.